Hi guys, we're going to be working on two-step equations this week. So just a few reminders, some notes. We're going to be undoing what we've done before. You're still going to be using those steps you did for one-step equations, identifying your variable, what's happening to it. But now there's two things that are going to be happening to it. So you have to undo two things. The first thing that you will deal with is adding and subtracting. You have to do that first. Okay, after you've undone your first or your adding and subtracting, then you will deal with the multiplication and division. It actually is the opposite order of PEMDAS. So for example, we do this first one. Here's my x. Two things are happening to it. Okay, it's being multiplied by 2 and subtracted by 4, but I have to do the adding and subtracting first. So I'm going to add my 4. I'm going to do the opposite of subtracting 4 to each side. What I do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Some of you have been doing little lines in here. I'm okay with that either way. What's left on this side? So now I have 2x minus 4 plus 4, which ends up being 2x. These drop out. That was intentional. Okay, then we have 10 plus 4. My equal sign stays there, and you have 14. So when you do that line, make sure it goes through your equals. Now, we still haven't gotten there. The x is still being multiplied by 2. The opposite of being multiplied by 2 is dividing by 2. So I'll divide both sides by 2. This will drop out, and we end up with 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay? We'll do one more example of this in a problem like this one. I identify my x. Two things are happening to it. It's being added by 6 and divided by 3. Now, some of you will want to multiply by 3 first. You have to do the adding and subtracting first. Okay, so we're going to subtract. The opposite of adding is subtracting 6. We're going to subtract 6 from each side. On this side, I still have x divided by 3, plus 6 minus 6 drop out, and 11 minus 6 is 5. Now you'll notice we really got down to a one-step equation here. Each time you get down to a one-step equation. So when I go to do this one, the only step that's left is the opposite of dividing by 3. So I'm going to multiply each side by 3. Those will drop out, and we'll have x equals 5 times 3 is 15. And again, you'll notice there's work shown here. This is the kind of work you'll be expected to show. You're getting credit for turning things in, for showing work, and for correct answers. So there are 3 points each week for just showing work, and this is what we are expecting for showing work. Have a great day.